So what exactly is OpenAI Sora? Imagine an AI that can help you with almost anything, writing stories, solving coding problems, or even answering tough questions. That's Sora. Created by OpenAI, Sora is a super smart AI that understands and generates text. Now, how does Sora do all these amazing things? The magic lies in machine learning. This is a way for computers to learn from lots of data. Sora uses a special type of machine learning called transformers. These transformers help Sora understand and work with sequences of data, like sentences or lines of code. By learning from tons of text, Sora can spot patterns and make sense of language in a way that feels very human. Sora's abilities come from being trained on huge amounts of data. This includes books, articles, code, and conversations from all over the internet. With all this training, Sora can understand a wide range of topics and adapt to different tasks easily. It's like having a personal assistant who knows a bit about everything. Sora is really good at natural language processing, or NLP. This means it can understand and create human language in a natural, easy-to-understand way. With NLP, Sora gets the meaning behind words, understands the tone, and can create responses that sound just right. Okay, enough with how Sora actually works. Let's get to the video generation from text. Imagine typing out a script and watching Sora bring it to life as a full-fledged video. That's what Sora can do. So, when will this amazing feature be available? The video generation tool is scheduled to be released later this year. Now, how do you use it? Step 1. Write your script. Start by writing the script for your video. Keep it clear and concise. Step 2. Input the text. Enter your script into Sora's interface. You can also add specific instructions for visuals if you have a particular vision in mind. Step 3. Generate the video. Let Sora do the magic. It will analyze your text, create visuals, and compile them into a cohesive video. And last but not least, step 4, review and edit. Once the video is generated, you can review it and make any necessary edits. Sora makes it easy to tweak visuals and text to get the perfect final product. Sora's skills can be used in many different ways. Whether you're a writer, a coder, a student, an editor, or someone in business, Sora can make your work easier. OpenAI Sora is a fantastic example of what modern AI can do. Whether you want to boost your productivity, unleash your creativity, or explore the world of AI, Sora is here to help. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into OpenAI Sora. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to AI Insights for more exciting AI adventures.